Why most new marketers fail online. And here's why. Most new marketers fail online, not because they're lazy, but because they keep making these 5 big mistakes. 1. Selling without knowing your audience. You can't sell to everyone. Know your ideal customer, their needs, pain, and dreams. 2. Copying competitors. Stop copying, so start differentiating. People buy from brands that stand out. 3. Talking features, not benefits. Customers don't care what your product is. They care what it does for them. 4. No clear CTA. If you don't tell people what to do next, they'll do nothing. Always add a call to action. 5. Ignoring consistency. Online marketing takes time. Stay consistent. Success builds momentum. Avoid these mistakes and you're already ahead of 90% of new marketers. Subscribe for more smart sales tips from SalesVerse.